Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. Let's talk about books recommended by Mostly Sane, aka प्राजक्ता कोली. She is a YouTuber. Actually बहुत सारे YouTubers है कि जो books पढ़ते हैं जैसे अंकुर वारिको, Beer by Selves, प्राजक्ता कोली and so many. So I'm trying to follow them, what type of books they read, what type of books they suggest. So I came across this mostly sane video.
Now आज का वीडियो काफी रिक्वेस्टेड रहा है पिछले बहुत सारे महीनों से
where she recommended around 7 to 8 books जो उसने पढ़ी थी last year and I thought let's make a video on that. इसमें से मैंने books बहुत सारी पहले ही पढ़ी है and I have already made video on that. So I will put the link in the description. I will put the Prajakta Kohli's video link in the description. You can go watch that video. So basically she recommended around 7 to 8 books. उसके बाद उसने बहुत सारी books पढ़ी भी होगी but we have no idea कि वो अभी कौन सी books पढ़ रही है. But I remember she started reading Murakami and Suhail Dev by Amish Tripathi because she did a collab with Amish Tripathi. So let's get into the books and let's try to understand इसमें से कौन सी books easy है which I liked and which you should read. First book that she recommended is
one is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
Well, I have read this book 2 times. First one in around 11-12 standard, first year of college उस time पे मैंने पढ़ी थी and second year recently पढ़ी थी. And right now I have kind of a love-hate relationship with the Alchemist book. When you read this book for the first time, then it feels like okay, this is the mind-blowing book. ये book मेरी ज़िंदगी बदल देगी and everything. But when you read that second time, then you realize that okay, it's a kind of a very normal story, but filled with lot of motivation quotes, filled with lot of inspiration things. And that's the reason you started liking this book. If you're reading that first time, definitely आपको ये book बहुत पसंद आएगी. But after few years, if you read it second times, then you will feel like okay, this is a normal story, this is everyone's life story. But scenario हर किसी की अलग है, कुछ अलग problem से है, कुछ अलग problem में है. But yes, it's definitely a good read. If you are just getting into the reading, then I will definitely suggest you to pick up the Alchemist book because this will help you with lot of understanding of your life, motivation stuff. The second book is or series probably.
So मेरे ख्याल से कुछ 5 साल पहले I met the author of this trilogy called Amish Tripathi.
The Shiva trilogy which is recommended by Mostly Sen. ये बुक मैंने पहले पढ़ी है, इसकी पूरी की I mean अमीश त्रिपाठी की मैंने ऑलमोस्ट सारी बुक्स पढ़ी है. इवन द लेटेस्ट वन द सुहेल देव ऑल्सो हैव रेड दैट बुक. और these books are quite good to be honest. If you believe that ये पूरी real story होगी, then it's not actually true. It's a kind of a fiction story. And if you love fiction, if you love mythology, if you love Shiva, then you should definitely go check out this book. I have again the mixed feelings. I have made complete detailed video with spoiler actually. You can go check out that video. Well, like it's 20-30 मिनट्स का वीडियो है जहाँ पे मैंने फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू द एंड सारी की सारी चीज़ें डिस्क्राइब की कि क्या क्या होता है हर एक बुक में. सो मोस्टली से मैंने इसमें से कुछ 2 बुक्स पढ़ी है एंड आई हैव रेड ऑल द 3 बुक्स. सो आई कैन डेफिनेटली से यू दैट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग ईजी रीड और बुक्स आर एक्चुअली बिग, नॉट दैट 100-200 pages. Every book is around 300-400 pages and each part gets bigger and bigger. So if you're looking for something in the genre of mythology or mythology, whatever you say it, then these books are definitely good. It's a little bit descriptive, but sometimes description makes it more and more interesting. So from my side also, you can definitely read this book and you can definitely enjoy the mythology.
Number 4 is oh my god. Seriously, I'm kidding.
Well, to be honest, ये बुक के बारे में मैंने पहले सुना नहीं था. So around एक month पहले I thought let's try this book. And this book is quite short. I mean hardly 140 pages. So I am able to finish it within one day. But the fun in this book is really amazing. This book actually starts with the sentence that sometimes the biggest things are most embarrassing. And from that moment I started laughing, like from little laugh. You won't even realize, like if you have kind of a stressful day and if you're looking for कुछ fun पढ़ने के लिए चाहिए, कुछ easy read चाहिए, then seriously I am kidding. नाम में ही सब कुछ है. You should definitely check out this book. Well, this book is recommended by Mostly Sen and I really enjoyed it. There are few books I have not enjoyed it, but this is out of that which I have not read before. But I really enjoyed reading this book. Seriously, I'm kidding.
Generous. Number 5 is Jaya by Devdutt Patnaik.
It's a kind of a big book and I received this book from Penguin India almost 2 years back and it's a kind of a good book actually. इट्स मोर अबाउट महाभारत। अगर आपने कभी महाभारत पढ़ी नहीं है और आप फर्स्ट टाइम महाभारत पढ़ रहे हो, इवन इफ़ यू हैव चिल्ड्रंस एंड उनको यानी बच्चों को महाभारत पढ़ना है, देन दिस इज़ अ गुड बुक बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट अ स्टोरी, इट्स अबाउट विथ पिक्चर्स भी है उसमें, स्टोरी भी है, एंड इट्स काइंड ऑफ ईजी लैंग्वेज जो इंडियन लैंग्वेज को ईजी हो जाएगी, बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए ईजी हो जाएगी, दैट काइंड ऑफ बुक इट इज़. So the reason I love this book because it's a very beginner friendly, and because of the graphics, and everything, it makes it so easy to read. So if you have not read it, then I will highly recommend. Or if you have never heard about the Mahabharata, or if you have never read Mahabharata, then make sure you check out Jaya by Devadatta Patnaik.
Number 6 is number 6. मैंने इसके बारे में पहले बात करा, but I have to put this in this video. The Secret Diary of Adrian Mole by Sue Townsend.
Another comedy book or another easygoing, another fun book. The first one was Seriously I Am Kidding, and the second book, this is which I enjoyed but not that much, to be honest. I enjoyed a few chapters of this book, यानी कि जब वो अपने भाई के बारे में, अपने करतूत के बारे में बताया कि उसने क्या क्या चीज़ें की, कैसे कैसे एक्सप्लेन किया, एंड एवरीथिंग इज अ काइंड ऑफ फन. आई मीन बुक इज़ मोर लाइक काइंड ऑफ अ जर्नलिंग, यानी कि एक किताब होती है, यानी नोटबुक होती है, एंड ही यूज्ड टू राइट एवरीथिंग इन दैट बुक, जो मतलब क्या क्या दिन में किया, क्या क्या भाई ने किया, क्या क्या चीज़ें हो गई, क्या क्या उसने कारनामे किए, सारी चीज़ें उसमें लिखी होती हैं. एंड इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ग्रेट विथ स्टोरी टेलिंग स्टफ, एंड दैट द स्टोरी टेलिंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस बुक इज आई रियली एंजॉयड. But apart from that, it's a very beginner friendly book and easy to read, and basically anyone can pick up this book. It's really easy. But apart from that, I will suggest Seriously I Am Kidding. It's much better book than this one, because Seriously I Am Kidding, I really enjoyed that book, but this is a kind of average stuff for me.
Number 7 is Mary Shelley's Frankenstein.
To be honest, I have not enjoyed this book. I know classics are great sometimes to read. Other classics I do enjoy, like 1984, then the Pride and Prejudice. These kind of books, the books by the Jane Austen, these are the really great books. But Frankenstein, it's not a beginner friendly book, and the language not that easy. It's a kind of little bit hard word, and I have to quit this book in a midway. I have not enjoyed this book like that much as compared to the other books. So I won't recommend the Frankenstein for beginner friendly reading, or if you're going to pick up first time classics, then ये book basically आपके लिए नहीं है. Try to go with another classics or try to read other books, but this is not everyone's cup of tea. If you enjoy the high English, ये book around 1880 के टाइम पे publish हुई थी. I mean you can see that old language, old stuff. इसमें series भी थी, and I have not watched the series yet. Probably I will do it if I completed this book, but I have to quit this book midway. Not sure I am able to pick up that book again or not. But right now at this condition, I'm not in much favor of the Frankenstein book. What do you think about this? Have you read the Frankenstein? What's your take on this? Do let me know.
The one I am reading right now, which is the Da Vinci Code.
Okay, this is a good book, to be honest. I have read this book in a college time. It's a big book, around 400-500 pages, I guess. I don't remember like how many pages exactly, but I will Google it if you want to. But it's not that big. It's not that easy book also, but at the same time, it's interesting stuff also. Probably you guys have already watched the Da Vinci Code movie. There are high chances that आपने इसकी movie भी देखी होगी. But when it comes to the book, it's interesting, and the way the everything the mystery is there, the suspense is there. It's so much fun to read. So out of around 8 books, I have liked, or I have read almost 7 books, I will suggest, I will say. And out of 7 books, there are 2 books which I not liked mostly. The first one is the Frankenstein, and the second one is the Secret Diary of Adrian Mole. So these 2 books I have not enjoyed that much. Other than that, all other books I have already read. I'm trying to read more books suggested by the celebrities or the YouTubers, just to see what type of books they like, what type of content they prefer, and that kind of stuff. If you love books, then make sure you give it a subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with the Mostly Sen. I would love to do the collab with Mostly Sen to talk about books and in general. Maybe if you are watching this video, then I would love to do the collab with Project Akori. I hope this will happen someday soon in the future. If you are looking for other books by the celebrities or other books by YouTuber, you can check out here video, the book recommended by the Sandeep Maheshwari. You can check that video. And if you are looking for the books recommended by Elon Musk, then check out this video where I shared a book recommended by Elon Musk. And that's all for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye, tata, take care.